Hey there, every day, a new AI tool promises to change how we work and create. But which ones actually matter? Today, I'm cutting through the noise to share the 7 best free AI tools you need to try in 2025. These aren't just cool demos, they're genuinely useful for students, professionals, and creators. I'll cover what each tool does, who it's for, and show practical examples so you can start using them right away. If you want to level up your workflow and unlock creative potential for free, you're in the right place. Let's break down the tools that are truly worth your time. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT, the go-to conversational AI for millions. It's like having a 24/7 smart assistant draft emails, summarize articles, brainstorm ideas, or get coding help. The key? Ask specific context-rich questions for the best results. Whether you're a writer, student, or developer, it's an indispensable, free tool that grows with you. Still the king of accessible AI. Next, Canva AI has revolutionized design. With Magic Studio, you can generate polished graphics, copy, and even presentations from a simple prompt. Tools like Magic Write and Magic Eraser make content creation fast and intuitive, perfect for social media, business, or YouTube. The free version gives you powerful AI features to streamline your workflow. For productivity, Notion AI is a game changer. It summarizes notes, pulls out action items, and helps brainstorm, all within your workspace. No more switching apps, just highlight, command, and let AI organize your thoughts. It's a must-have for managing projects or capturing ideas efficiently. Creators meet Jogg AI. This free tool delivers AI-powered video analysis and feedback right in your browser. Upload your video and Jogg AI highlights strengths, suggests improvements, and gives you actionable insights. Collaborate with your team, share feedback, and track progress all in one place. It's a creative hub for content creators, educators, and teams. No more guessing what works. Jogg AI gives you clear, data-driven feedback. The free tier lets you analyze videos and streamline your review process. See how Jogg AI can help you create better videos faster. Grammarly's AI is now a full writing assistant. It checks grammar, clarity, and tone, suggesting impactful edits and helping you communicate better. Set your audience and goals, and Grammarly tailors its feedback. The free version covers all the essentials for stronger writing. DALL turns your text prompts into unique, high-quality images. From wild concepts to custom blog headers, its creative potential is limitless. Specify styles, angles, and lighting for total control. For content creators, it's a fast way to generate royalty-free visuals. The free version, often in Microsoft Copilot, gives you plenty of credits to start. Otter.ai is a productivity powerhouse for transcribing meetings, interviews, or lectures in real time. It identifies speakers, timestamps, and generates summaries and action items. Search transcripts instantly and integrate with Zoom or Google Meet. Focus on the conversation. Otter handles the notes. The free tier is perfect for students and professionals alike. That's 7 free AI tools to upgrade your workflow in 2025. These aren't here to replace us. They amplify our creativity and efficiency. Try a couple, see what fits, and let us know your favorite in the comments. Did I miss a great free tool? Share below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.